Good day and welcome to our class. Today we are going to be treating standard forms. Now, standard forms is used for a very large numbers or a very small numbers. So now we do it like this. If it is a positive number, you start from right to left. If it is a negative number, a number that has a decimal place, you start from left from the decimal point and move to the right. Standard form is expressed in this: a times 10 raised to the power n, where a is a number between 1 and 10, then n is an integer, either positive or negative. So now, considering this number, converting to standard form is very simple. I will use the simplest method ever. So let's use this as example. If I want to convert this to standard form, I will just do something like this. I will start from here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have 8 tens, which is 3 points. That is why I ended it. I will put my point there. 2, 7, 8 times our 10. Then how many did I count from here to here, which is 8? Now let's use a negative number now. 2. Okay, let's consider this number now. 0.0000517, and we want to convert it to standard form. What do? We start from left to right, starting from the decimal point. Now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first integer becomes where you put your decimal points now. So we have 5.17 times, how many did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to power, because it is a decimal place and we count from left to right, we put negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is it. This is the same as this. Ciao.